and just for you, the only thing I can have. You will wake up in my arms around you.
Dumela.
Good evening, Chrisceldah.
Thank you.
Here's a question. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Botswana Diamonds. Botswana Diamonds to me scream opportunity. Opportunity to diversify our economy. Opportunity for us to improve the livelihood of our citizens, to roof and house and feed the citizens. That's what Botswana Diamonds mean to me. Thank you.